Hello and welcome back to the 100-day art challenge. Now I would love to tell you that this is going to be today's installment. I mean, look at this. It's a beautiful sunny day. I've got my chair, I've got an easel, I've got a canvas that's already primed. I'm ready to go to paint this beautiful bridge. But no, this is not going to be today's submission. This was quite a while ago. I'm going to be uploading this to my channel at some point, but I've done lots of plein air painting and filmed myself doing it, but sadly today is going to be a submission where I didn't film myself painting. So I thought, what can I do if I didn't film the painting but it's still a submission that I've uploaded to Instagram? It counts. It's one of the numbers of the 100-day challenge. It's one of the 100. So I thought I will show you what it looks like when I do go and film myself painting. So this is me painting the bridge. This is a painting that's still ongoing, I must confess. I've tried to work on it back at home and it still needs another session, I think, to finish off. But I've done this several times, not just with this bridge, which I really enjoyed. It was a lovely day, but I've also climbed up a mountain. This is me up a mountain, painting the sea in the distance between the different mountains. This is in Snowdonia. It was a very arduous trip. I'll do a video on this one as well. These are going to be separate videos because I've got stories to tell from these days. But the point being is that I wish I would have not only filmed myself painting this submission, which I'm going to show you in a little while, but also I wish I would have painted something half decent, because this painting, it's, as much as I don't like it, I've got it here. It's, I've not touched it since this painting that you're looking at on screen. I've not touched it since, and I just don't like it that much. But I don't like this one either. And they all look like they have potential to be okay paintings, but believe me, it's not. It didn't go well. But sadly, that is not what it's going to be doing today. This is going to be part 2 of the Landscape Artist of the Year program that I went to go and visit in Llanberis, and that's where they were. I was down the slope here at this patch of grass. They were all up here. This is their pods that they were painting in. Well, this is the contestants anyway. And then aside from the contestants, you've got the film crew there filming this beautiful lake. You have the wild card group there, which is loads of people with their easels and canvases. It was really interesting to walk along and see people's work. The contestants' work was mixed. Some of it was beautiful, some of it was not quite finished, so you can't see where they're going. Just like with the wild cards, you can see some people were doing really nice work. Others were having very unusual styles, but really interesting, diverse work. It's always nice to see people painting different to each other. You don't want everyone to paint the same type of approach or vision. So it was a beautiful day, as you can see. It was lovely. There were people rowing in the lake and lots of things that you could have painted, or I should say I could have painted. There's a little train down there. I kind of missed it, to be honest. I tried to photograph it, but there we go. You got lovely mountains in the distance and just very nice. It may look like a grey day, but it was actually quite nice. It was a pretty pleasant day there. And what I'm going to show you now is what I said on the day. So this is me painting, and this is what I had to say. Well, I've just been to see the Landscape Painter of the Year contestants there. It looks amazing. They've done great work. So yeah, it's been lovely. It's been very nice weather. I've tried 2 paintings. I've not done well myself, but it's difficult plein air. It gives you a real appreciation for what they're doing. My first attempt was in oil. I just struggled. I really was just battling, not really knowing what I'm doing. And my second attempt was in acrylic, and it was better, but marginally, So there we are. I wish I could have scooped up a couple of the artists for interviews, but I think it's when you've got a TV company there, they're gonna wrangle the artists a lot quicker than I can. So it was just nice to be here and to see their work. It's really inspiring, and despite me not doing the best work today, I'm certainly encouraged to try again until it improves. And it's been a lot of fun. Alright, see you next time.